Today, we will explore combining like terms in algebraic expressions. Like terms are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. Understanding how to combine these is key to simplifying expressions. In an expression, like terms have the same variable part. For example, 2x and 3x are like terms, while 2x and 5y are not. Identifying them will help in simplification. When combining like terms, you can add or subtract the coefficients while keeping the variable part the same. For instance, 2x plus 3x equals 2 plus 3x equals 5x. Remember to handle subtraction properly, as in 3x minus 2x equals 1x. Now let's simplify the expression, 2x plus 3x minus 5. First, we will combine the like terms. 2x plus 3x leads to 5x. Then we subtract the constant term minus 5, get the final result, 5x minus 5. Let's break down the expression 2x plus 3x minus 5 step by step. First, we combine the like terms 2x and 3x. Now we subtract 5, giving us the final simplified expression 5x minus 5. Let's solve for another expression, 4x 2x plus 3 minus 1. First, combine 4x and minus 2x to get 2x. Then 3 minus 1 equals 2. The final result is 2x plus 2. Now let's tackle the problem 4x minus 2x plus 3 minus 1. We can start with combining the like terms first. Combine 4x and minus 2x to get 2x, and combine 3 and minus 1 to get 2. The final result is 2x plus 2. Great job! Understanding how to combine like terms is fundamental in algebra. Practice with various expressions to strengthen your skills. Let's keep exploring related problems for better mastery. Thank you for learning about combining like terms. Continue practicing and you'll excel in algebra.